Hi there, welcome to Vital Rich Concept. In this video I'm going to show you how to use our mini rechargeable sealer to seal your product. Okay, Vital Rich Concept, improving your life, growing your business. So this is our mini rechargeable sealer. It comes with a short cable, type C cable, and a manual. Okay, get it, place your order for it. Place your order for our stamping kit, which will help you to brand your product, basic branding for your product. Get our 3 by 24 inches nylon roll, get our 4 by 24 inches nylon roll, get our 12 by 10 inches nylon pack, which is good for packaging items that are up to 2 kg. Get our heatgunsealer for your bottle and container packaging and for packing your product. Get our impulsesealer for your sealing, seals all manner of things. Get our industrial nylons, okay, which is good for all manner of packaging. Get our lined surface sealer and our smooth surface sealer. Then finally get our branding course to help you brand your product like a pro. Get all these things through WhatsApp chat. Get our WhatsApp link from our bio to place your order. Okay, now this is our mini rechargeable sealer. That places the power button. Okay, you turn it on or off. Okay, when it's on and it's charged, it gives you a blue light. Gives you a blue light. Okay, this is the type C charging point. You can use his own cable or you can use your own type C cable, because their own cable is very short, so you can use your own type C cable. Don't forget to like this video, share this video wide. Now when it's charging, it turns on red light when it's off, and when it's charging and is on, it turns on pink light. Okay, so these are the indicators. So it's charging now and it's on, so it turns on pink light. Okay, now the first point is for sealing, while the second point is for cutting. So we're going to start now. I'm going to seal now with this our 4 by 24 inches nylon, which is actually a thick nylon. It's actually thick, it's quite thick, it's thick enough. So I'm adding the product now. Don't forget to like this video, share this video wide, keep on following me, tell your friends about Vital Rich Concept. Okay, well, after you've added, leave a space of like 1 inch or 3/4 inch. Half inch is not enough. Leave that provision for sealing. Okay, then start from the middle. While pressing the first one, move towards your right. That's how you're gonna seal. Okay, so you make sure you turn it on and follow this process. Now turn it again to complete the other part. Start from where you started the other time and then seal. Make sure you know the lines are meeting. Okay, then move. Press while pressing the first button, which is meant for sealing. Move towards your right and seal. Voila, we have done our first sealing. Now this nylon, because this nylon is thick, it only sealed it, but it didn't cut it. So sometimes it can seal it, so sometimes it will seal the thick nylon and not cut it. Some other times it will seal the thick nylon and cut it. It depends on how thick the nylon is. Okay, now let's now do it with our power bank. Okay, I've plugged it to power bank now with the type C. You can see it's on with the type C charger because it uses type C charger. All right, now we're going to package another thing now with our the nylon you popularly call glass nylon. We're going to use that glass nylon now. This sealer can seal industrial nylon, it can seal non-industrial nylon. Don't forget to follow me for more tips on packaging and tell us where you're watching this video from so that we can give you a very big shout out. Okay, all right, now for this glass nylon, you have to cut off that cover of the glass nylon. Since our sealer is very small, it's a very small mini sealer, so you have to cut off that cover of the glass nylon to enable you to seal. Remember, I say you should always give a provision of 1 inch or 3/4 inch for sealing. This will help you to seal, because you actually need to learn how to master how to use this sealer. Okay, so you press down the sealing button and move towards your right. Wow, I told you it will seal and cut. So for light nylon, it will seal and cut the excess nylon. Okay, yeah, you can see now, because glass nylon is not a very thick nylon, it's not a thick nylon. All right, now you now cut off the remaining one, the one that didn't cut. You cut it off with your scissors. Can you see it sealed everything tight. It closed up everywhere. I'm shaking it now, shaking it just to see whether anything will fall off. Nothing falls off because everything is completely sealed. Okay, so Vitalrich is always here to make provision for you, to make sure you are moving forward in your packaging business. Our shout out today goes to Smooth Ayobami from Ibadan, Nigeria. Ayobami, thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to cut off that cover of the glass nylon. I said you can use this with light nylon, you can use this with thick nylon, all manner of nylons. You can use it with industrial nylon, you can use it with non-industrial nylon. So I start again. You know, I'm even using it while it's plugged on the power bank, so to show you that it's very economical, and it is a very low consumption, the lowest consumption you can think of for electricity. Very low consumption. So I advise you use it as your backup if you are in a place where there's light. Everybody into packaging needs this. You need it. If you have a sharp very quick packaging to do, you use it. If you're in a place where there's no electricity, you use it. You can have 2 or 3 of it, then have a good power bank. It will actually save you stress. Okay, all right, now I finished selling that one. I needed my item to be packed together, so I realized I need to remove all those extra spaces. So I'm selling now to cut off, to seal and cut off the extra space so that my items can be jam-packed together. That's how I want it to be. You can see, and I was able to achieve that with this mini rechargeable sealer. This is awesome. This is beautiful. This is what you need. Place your order from anywhere you are in this world. I'm going to show you the work of the second button. Is actually for cutting. You see, when you need to cut nylon, you don't need to start looking for scissors. You just use that second button, press it down and move towards your right, go towards your right and cut off. Now once you're done, you off. Now you can see our power bank is still in 100%. It didn't even blink. With all these things that I did, it did not blink. Thanks for watching, and watch out for my next video.